Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you have landed at the right destination. This is Property Cloud, your favorite PropTech service. Now, what exactly is a PropTech service? This is the place where we help you do virtual property site tours, wherein we take you to different properties and also tell you about the complete land parcel, the amenities, the locations, the configurations, and also show you the sample flat if it is ready. Now, once we've done all of this, after that, our salesperson will get in touch with you so that he can take you around on property site visits absolutely free of cost. That's right, you heard it right. We also provide you free pickup and drop service, and we also connect you directly with the developer, thereby not charging you absolutely any brokerage. And of course, because we're connecting you with the developer directly, that's the reason we are also able to give you not just the bottom price, but also multiple offers, payment schemes, and a lot more. Now, how does all of this happen is something that I'm going to tell you later. But first of all, let me tell you that we're not just present in Mumbai, but we're present across the country. Not just across the country, but we are present across the globe in multiple cities in India and also across the globe in multiple countries like UAE, Dubai, Singapore, USA, and many more. Now, if you want to know how do we go ahead with all of the bookings and everything, I'm going to tell that to you later. First of all, I need to tell you where I am right now and what exactly is the project that I'm talking to you about. Let's go and take a look at it. And here I am today at L&T's brand new project, Island Cove, which is located in Mahim. Now, from here, the Mahim Sine Link Road is very close by. Not just that, even the Worli Sea Link is very nearby, just about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, let me talk to you about a little more about the connectivity. The Senapati Bapat Marg is very nearby, of course, and also multiple schools, colleges, and malls are also in the nearby vicinity. Now, if you are wondering where exactly I am standing right next to the project's 3D model, and here it is. This is what the project is going to look like once it's ready, and it is made in a land parcel of approximately 3 acres. There are going to be 2 towers. What you can see right now is the parking, and these are the amenities that are going to be on the top of the parking, which is going to be a swimming pool, a net cricket, and also a couple of internal amenities like library, gymnasium, play area, and many more. Now, they are going to be 2 BHKs with sun decks, which will be starting from 733 square feet onwards. The 3 BHKs with sun decks, which will be starting from 1048 square feet onwards. And the 3 BHK with the study would be starting from 1365 onwards. Now, the price range of these apartments begins from approximately 3.5 crore onwards, and it will go up to 5 crores and even more depending on the configuration that you're gonna like. Now, when I'm talking about the configurations, I'm sure you want to see one of the configurations from inside. Stay with me. I'm gonna take you right into one of the sample flats. And this over here is the 1365 square feet 3 BHK apartment. Let's go inside and take a look at it. This over here is the entrance foyer, which is pretty spacious as you can see, and the door width is also pretty big as compared to the regular doors. Now, over here we enter right into the kitchen. The kitchen has pretty good space right over here for your utilities. It comes with these 2 opposite place slabs, which ends right over here at your vegetable sink. And along with that, they have still provided some great space over here for your utilities, जहाँ पे आपके dishwashers और washing machines दोनों ही काफी अच्छे से fit हो सकते हैं. And after taking a good look at the kitchen, now let's proceed towards the living and the dining space. Right over here next to your kitchen is the dining area and the grand living space. Now, it is so spacious actually, and they've kept it in a one single unit, which makes it even more bigger. But what makes it even more beautiful is the balcony. Right over here, let's take a look at the balcony. This is your balcony that comes covered from the top, but it is open from 3 sides so that you can get perfect ventilation. It comes with a toughened glass railing, and also the flooring has been provided in a wooden finished ceramic tiles. Now, once we come back inside the house, we realize that the bedrooms have been given in 2 different directions. Your guest bedroom can be on one side and the remaining bedrooms are on the other side. तो पहले guest bedroom देखें, आ जाइए. ये है आपका guest bedroom. Now, one thing that I absolutely loved about it is that they have actually provided these completely open windows over here, which allow in perfect lighting and maximum ventilation, and also the standing balcony feel that you get over here. These windows open up sliding, and this one is a toughened glass which stays where it is. Along with that, because this is the guest bedroom, it does have an attached toilet and wash to it. Let's take a look. This is your attached toilet and wash that comes with a glass shower cubicle to separate dry and wet areas, and the CP sanitary fittings are a part of the standard flat furnishings. Well, it's now time to follow me into the common areas, that is the common bathroom, the common bedroom, and then the master bedroom. So this is the common bathroom over here that again comes with CP sanitary fittings and also a glass shower cubicle. And right over here is the kids' bedroom. Now the kids' bedroom also comes with a similar kind of a window that we just saw in the guest bedroom that allows in perfect ventilation. Half of it is fixed and half of it is a sliding window. Now I want you to very quickly come inside the master bedroom and take a look at it. This is the final room of the house, but it is extremely beautiful as well. Let's come inside and take a look at this one. This over here is a master bedroom that does not come with a window, but it comes with a balcony right over here. And again, this balcony also comes covered from the top and from two sides, and it gives you the perfect view from here of the Mumbai city. Along with that, it comes with this toughened glass railing so that your view doesn't get hampered, and this stainless steel frame, and also the flooring is wooden finished ceramic tiles. Now, because it is the master bedroom, of course, it comes with an attached toilet and wash. Let's take a look at this one as well. This also comes with a glass shower cubicle and also the CP sanitary fittings. Now, in case you're wondering where am I going, well, I'm not going anywhere. I am going to tell you how does the booking process work and how can you come over here and take a look at this property with great ease. How? Well, stay with me. I'm just going to tell you. Now that you've seen the property, I'm sure you want to know how will the booking process work. Well, it's very simple. All you need to do is captions mein there is a link mentioned. You need to click on that link. Once you do that, our salesperson will get in touch with you, and as I told you, we'll take you on free site visits. We'll also help you with the booking process, brokerage free with best offers and everything else. But along with that, you need to actually first of all register. तो उसके लिए जल्दी से कीजिए कैप्शन के ऊपर क्लिक, इसमें आपको मिल सके ये लिंक. Or do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can see the best of properties across the globe at one destination right over here at Property Cloud with me, Ekta Kapoor. Stay tuned to us for the best of properties in your town. Thank you.